Starting off our list at number 5 is the Breville the Custom Loaf Pro, a machine that screams, "I take bread seriously, but I also like to look good doing it." It boasts an impressive range of presets from basic white to gluten-free sourdough. You can also make manual adjustments, guiding you to perfect loaves every time. It even has an automatic ingredient dispenser. Look no further than the Breville the Custom Loaf Pro.
Coming in at number 4, we have the Zojirushi HomeBaker Virtuoso Plus, a machine that's synonymous with bakery quality bread. This machine is for the bakers out there who appreciate precision and consistency. One of the standout features of the Virtuoso Plus is its dual heating elements. It incorporates both top and bottom heating elements for even browning and a perfectly risen loaf. The Virtuoso Plus also boasts a unique coarse mixing feature. So, if you're looking for a machine that delivers bakery quality bread, the Zojirushi HomeBaker Virtuoso Plus is the one for you.
Sliding into the number 3 spot is the Cuisinart CBK200 Convection Breadmaker, a machine that's as versatile as it is efficient. This machine is for the seasoned home bakers who like to dabble in everything from baguettes to brioche. The CBK200 sets itself apart with its convection baking technology. This means that the machine circulates hot air throughout the baking chamber, resulting in faster baking times and more even browning. The CBK200 comes equipped with 16 pre-programmed settings, allowing you to create a wide variety of breads. You can even use the machine to bake cakes, jams, and pizza dough. The CBK200 features a unique low-carb setting, allowing you to create healthier bread options without sacrificing flavor or texture. So, whether you're watching your waistline or exploring new baking horizons, the Cuisinart CBK200 Convection Breadmaker has got you covered.
Taking the second spot on our list is the Panasonic SDYR2550 automatic bread maker, a machine that's all about delivering consistent results with minimal fuss. This machine is for the bakers who value simplicity and reliability. The SDYR2550 excels in its straightforward design and user-friendly interface. With clearly labeled buttons and a large LCD screen, this machine makes selecting your desired settings a breeze. The SDYR2550 includes a 13-hour delay timer, allowing you to wake up to the smell of freshly baked bread. The SDYR2550 includes dedicated settings for rye, brioche, and gluten-free breads. Its raisin and nut dispenser automatically adds your mix-ins at the optimal time, ensuring even distribution. So, if you're looking for a machine that consistently delivers delicious results without any complicated bells and whistles, the Panasonic SDYR2550 automatic bread maker is the one for you.
Topping our list at number 1 is the Hamilton Beach HomeBaker 29882, a machine that proves you don't need to break the bank to enjoy freshly baked bread at home. This machine is for the budget-conscious bakers who are just starting their bread-making journey. The HomeBaker 29882 may not have all the bells and whistles of its pricier counterparts, but it delivers on its promise of simple, homemade bread. With 12 pre-programmed settings, this machine allows you to create a variety of breads, from basic white to gluten-free options. The HomeBaker 29882 is affordable. It's the perfect entry-level machine for those curious about bread making but not ready to invest in a high-end model. The HomeBaker 29882 is still packed with convenient features, including a delay timer. So, if you're looking for a budget-friendly machine that delivers delicious homemade bread without any fuss, the Hamilton Beach HomeBaker 29882 is the perfect choice.
Well, folks, there you have it. Our top 5 picks for the best bread makers of 2025. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a complete newbie, there's a machine out there that's perfect for you. Remember, baking bread is all about experimentation, patience, and a whole lot of love. So go forth, my fellow bread enthusiasts, and embrace the joy of baking. Until next time, happy baking.